How do I do it? They ask. And this is what I tell them. Actions always speak louder than words. I have to make sure my wheels are properly inserted into my axles on this chair because these spinner G's, well, it's a long story. It's another story. Grab this shit with my hand. I just keep it on my lap. Probably take two at a time, but I'm not only the producer, but I'm the director. Brad took it from the trunk of the van. Had to come through my yard. Through here, set them right there, and then bring them in from there. Better than killing my mother. She's 79. I get aggravated around her because I'm trying to move a little bit faster than she can. And, well, she can't. But she tries. So do I. Now I'll go up that ramp. Sure, my mother would clear away, but obviously, I don't have friends. But that's how it's done. Dropped it like it was hot. One more. But maybe that one will do it.